What's up, everyone, and welcome to another Mail Call New Hall episode brought to you by RONJIE.COM and Garage Sale Transformers Miners, or GSTF2 for short. This is a new show. This is, well, the episode where we're going to look at a bunch of stuff that I got from Value Village. Again, one of our favorite thrift stores, Goodwill being the other one. I kind of like mission thrift stores as well, but they don't often have Transformers. But when they do, man, they have really good pricing. But anyways, this is what we got right here. So first and foremost, you can see we got this very tall dude. He's super tall. We're already super zoomed out. But yeah, and there he is. So he's, oh man, I don't have my, my tape measure, and so I can't measure how tall he is, but by my estimation, he's probably about 18 inches tall. It's Transformers robots in disguise, Optimus Prime, obviously, and yeah, you can put some stuff inside his chest, and even in his arms. Maybe you can attach some stuff to his fist. His other fist is in the wrong direction. There's parts of his his behind his legs where you can also put some figures. What do you call this? Rescue bots. You know, those flip changer kind of figures. But this guy, I got this guy for $7.99. Which is a little too much, too expensive, but I mean, I imagine this guy was originally what, at least $50, maybe $40 originally, so it's not bad. I mean, it's not in good condition. He's a little dusty, but that's about it. It's nice to have him because he's big. I like big bots, and I cannot lie. Speaking of big bots, I did well, also find this other big bot, and he's not as tall as Optimus Prime, but he's big nonetheless. It is remote control from Transformers The Last Night Squeaks. It's the remote control version. He still works, and he's only $7, $6.99. Check it out. So he's even cheaper than this guy. This one's a really good buy. Because I mean, this went on clearance. It went to the discount stores, and I didn't really pick it up because who needs a remote control? But yeah. So. Anyone trying to be a what do you call this, a completionist needs to have this one. So the one cool thing about this guy is he still works. If I can only find where his on-off switch is. Show me, he does have an on-off switch, because I remember I was able to make this guy sound, but I can't find his on-off switch anymore. Maybe he ran out of battery. Oh, there you go. Oh, and his eyes light up. Pretty cool toy. And then, like I said, oh my gosh, I don't know what I just did there. So there are these controls. Oh, okay. Forward, turn left, then face me. All right, there you go. And then there's two buttons here. All right, pretty cool. So this basically makes a sound. Let's press it again. It's basically like their BB-8, or what do you call that, R2-D2? Chihuahua. Alright. Chihuahua, whatever. So that's what that button does. This other button makes him dance. There he goes, going crazy for Optimus Prime. Transformers The Last Night Autobot Squeaks. He's a dancing dude. I don't even know what he's trying to do. Alright. Chihuahua. Alright, there he is. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Can't believe it. I have this, and it's only $17. And again, more cheaper than this big hollow Optimus Prime in the back. But we're not done yet, boys. We still have this. Oops, I guess he didn't like that. This is another toy bag. It's only $3 Canadian, but it is, I would say, expensive because all we got really is this little guy, and you know who he is. We're not interested in these other two. Shut up, Squeaks. How do I shut this guy up? That's the problem. I don't know where the off button is for this guy. There must be an off button. Oh, he keeps saying stuff. Off button, off. I guess you have to just remove the batteries or something. Oh well, it is what it is. Chihuahua. Squeaks. Shut up, Squeaks. Okay, let's get right back to opening this guy up again. $3 Canadian for this. It's a little too expensive, and I'm not really sure what this is. It says as is. Oh, whatever. It even has a price tag. Oh, whatever.
Too slow.
Oh, that's pretty cool. Oh, now they're interacting.
Bumblebee, let's motor.
Transformers animated Bumblebee, of course. How can I shut this guy up? This is the problem with this Chihuahua guy.
I'm the fastest thing on wheels.
Oh, there you go. Yeah, basically you roll him, and then when you bump something, he transforms like that. For kids, very nice, I would say. The quality of the plastic's pretty nice for a kid's toy. We're gonna have to remove those stickers, but yeah, pretty cool. We've got Bumblebee. Ooh!
Vehicle mode.
Oh my gosh, this Chihuahua guy. Alright. Oh my god. Hello, Squeaks! Oh my gosh. Alright. This is the Squeak show, apparently. Uh-oh, he got stuck. Alright. Oh, shut up, Squeaks. Anyways, but wait, there's more. We also got... This is... On permission. There you go. Okay, so I also got this thing. This is my first VHS cassette tape in a long time. Yeah, there's Optimus Prime. He transforms. There's that little 3D, what do you call this kind of thing? Lenticular or something like that. Pretty cool. Beast Wars, a feature-length Beasties adventure. So I think this is this like the movie? Yeah. So Beast Wars is amazing. Yeah. In a faraway galaxy, the powerful Maximals and Predacons wrestle for control of Energon, a unique energy source. Blah 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 blah. Blah 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 blah. Combine feature battle space to T-Rex against Cheetah, Wasp against Gorilla, and Tarantula against Rhino. Okay, so feature-length Beasties. So Beasties, of course, is what Beast Wars is called in Canada. It is also made in Canada. So I haven't even tried it out. I just bought a VHS player just to be able to play this. But we'll check it out. But I'm pretty stoked about this one. It's $2 Canadian plus 3 for that one, basically 7 and 8. Because that's $7.99, so that's a total of $20 Canadian. I did get this. I did have a 20% off coupon, or maybe there was like a promo at that time when I got these guys. I think there was a promo like if you buy $30 worth of stuff. I did buy a couple other things. You get 20% off, and I did get 20% off. So the total for these guys is 16 Canadian. Not bad at all, especially for this guy. This one is at least 30 Canadian, maybe 20 on clearance. But that being said, that's about it for this Mail Call U-Haul episode, brought to you by RONJIE.COM and the Garage Sale Transformers Toy Finders, or GSTF2 for short. This is the new show. Once again, this has been another Mail Call U-Haul episode. We hope you liked this episode, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe. Also, please follow us on social media channels. We're on Patreon, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Last but not least, please share this video with your friends, your family, loved ones, and everybody you know, including your enemies, because they might start to like you again, as Optimus Prime would always say. And until next time.
Too slow.
Uh-oh, I guess I finally turned off somehow Squeaks. Autobots, rev up and roll out.